Good morning and welcome to today's video. In this video we will be making a paper chain crocodile. You will need 2 colored papers, an eraser, a pencil, a ruler, scissors, glue and assorted colors. Take your first page and rule a line along the bottom. The line should be about 1.5 centimeters. This is very important as it will allow you to stick all your crocodile parts onto the body later. We will begin by drawing the legs. We need 4. Begin by drawing a straight line and a curved line next to each other. Then add some toes and claws. Great, now the tail. For this, draw a long triangle. Now the nose, 2 semicircles next to each other and 2 little ones inside them. Do the same thing for the eyes, only this time do it bigger. Next, let's make it easier to cut out later. Draw a line down each piece along the original ruled line. And now add a long shape for the tongue. Great, when you're ready, let's start the head. Rule line about 1/3 from the top of the page. Then measure about 4 centimeters, then 2, then 4 again, and rule a line at each place. Now draw a triangle in each bigger section so that they look like a mirror image. From each shape, draw little triangles along the edge. This is going to become your crocodile's teeth. Erase all the extra lines. And now add color. Color in your tongue and nostrils and eyes and claws. Add a pattern to your tail shape. I'm choosing stripes. Once you're ready, put it aside to cut out later. Now take out your second page. Rule lines about 5 centimeters apart. This should give you 5 lines or 6 sections. Add a pattern to every second block. I'm using the same pattern as my tail. Let's cut along the pencil line. Now we are going to glue them into a chain. Take your first strip and glue the ends together to make a circle. Take the next strip and put it through the circle and then glue the ends together. Those are your first links in the chain. The third strip should go through your second link and glue the ends together. Do this for the rest of them until you have a chain situation. Now let's go back to the other page. We are going to cut out all of our shapes. Can you see how I've been careful to keep in the extra strips of paper? It's very important to keep them so that we can glue them onto the body. Awesome, now fold the pieces along its pencil line. For the head, we are going to fold all of our teeth inwards, and then along the pencil lines as well. Stick the tongue inside by putting glue on the extra bit of paper and sticking that inside the mouth. Now our tongue is in 4D. Now stick the nostrils near the front and the eyes near the back. Now we have our head. Let's get our paper chain body. Put glue on the back of the head and stick it to the front of the chain. I'm keeping mine pattern side up. Stick the tail piece to the back and add legs along the side. I've stuck it to the top of the ring. Awesome, and there's your paper chain crocodile. Happy swimming! Please make sure to like and subscribe and push that bell. Heart Studio would love to hear from you, so comment down below to let us know what you think. And if you followed along with this video, make sure to send us a picture or tag us so that we can see what you made. You can also visit our profile to see other art videos, or click on one of the suggested tutorials on the screen. I hope you enjoyed!